Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from exponential equations. I will be solving this question in two ways. Let's write here method number 1. And in this method, we are going to write 17 minus 6 root 8. So I will be writing 17 as 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Then minus 6 is square root 8 with exponent x minus 2. Now we know that 9 is 3 square, 8 can be written as square root 8 whole square, then 6 we can split 2 times 3, then we have root 8, power is x minus 2. Now if I will consider 3 as a and square root 8 as b, then here we have 2 times ab. Let me write identity. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This will be equal to a minus b whole square. So I can write our equation 3 plus square root 8 with power x will be equal to 3 minus square root 8 whole square. Then we'll put power x minus 2. Now I will write one exponent law. A power b whole power c can be written as a power b times c. So we can multiply these two powers. 2 times x minus 2 in the power. Let me write here 3 plus square root 8 whole power is x equal to 3 minus square root 8. Will multiply 2 with x minus 2. Or we can write 3 plus square root 8 whole power is x equal to 3 minus square root 8 with whole power 2x minus 4. Now I will multiply 3 plus square root 8 with 3 minus square root 8. We know difference of two squares identity. A plus b times a minus equal to a square minus b square. So I can write here 3 square minus root 8 square. 3 square is 9, root 8 square is 8, value will 1. Now we'll write 3 plus square root 8 times 3 minus square root 8 equal to 1. Now we will divide both sides by 3 plus square root 8 divided by 3 plus square root 8. Now we will cancel 3 plus square root 8 from the numerator denominator of LHS, and we can get one strong result. 3 minus square root 8 will be equal to 1 over 3 plus square root 8. So in place of 3 minus square root 8, we can write here 1 over 3 plus square root 8. Let us write. I will write 3 plus square root 8 whole power is x will be equal to 1 over 3 plus square root 8. Then we will put whole power 2x minus. Now we will use another exponent. Let me write our equation once, and that law is 1 over a will be equal to a power minus. This property from exponents we are going to apply here. We can write equation 3 plus square root 8 whole power x will be equal to 3 plus square root 8 with power minus 1, and then we will put whole power 2x minus 4. Now we know that a power b whole power c power rule equal to a power bc. So we can multiply these two exponents and we can write our equation 3 plus square root 8 whole power x equal to 3 plus square root 8 whole power minus 1 times 2x minus 4. Let us write minus 1 times 2x minus 4, or we can write equal to 3 plus square root 8 with power 4 minus 2x. Let me write equation here. 3 plus square root 8 whole power is x, the LHS, and in RHS 3 plus square root 8 with power 4 minus 2x. Now our bases are same. We need to only compare our exponents, our powers. We are going to put x equal to 4 minus 2x. I will write x equal to 4 minus 2x. Now we will add 2x to both sides. X plus 2x will be equal to 4, or we can write 3x equal to 4. Now we will divide both sides by 3 to get our answer x equal to 4 over 3. Now we will consider our method number 2. Here we are going log. So I will take log both sides. So I will write here log of 3 plus root 8 whole power x equal to log of 17 minus 6 root 8 whole power x minus 2. Now we will use one log property, log a power b. This is equal to b log a. We are going to take our exponents as a multiplier. We can write x log 3 plus root 8. Let me write here x log 3 plus root 8 will be equal to x minus 2 log 17 minus 6 root 8. Now I will write 17 minus 6 root 8 value, which we have already solved in part or method 1. This is equal to 3 minus square root 8 whole square, which is further equal to 3 plus square root 8 with power minus 2. So here we are going to write 3 plus root 8 with power minus 2. I will write our equation x log 3 plus root 8 in the LHS, and in the RHS x minus 2 log of 3 plus square root 8 with power minus 2. Again we will use the same log property and we will take this minus 2 as a multiplier. So we can write x log 3 plus square root 8 will be equal to minus 2 we will take as a multiplier. Then we have x minus 2 times log of 3 plus square root 8. Now we will divide both sides by log 3 plus square root 8. So this will cancel out. We will get x equal to minus 2 times x minus, or we can write x equal to minus 2x plus 4. Now we'll add 2x to both sides. I can write x plus 2x equal to 4, or we can write 3x equal to 4. Now we have to divide by 3 both sides. We'll get our answer 4. But I hope friends you will like this problem. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.